Today, you see that big glass thing behind me, that windshield? Here, I'll give you a better look. Yeah, look at that view. Oh yeah, look at it. It's pretty good, huh? Today, something's gonna happen to it, so stay tuned and I will show you exactly what. In fact, let me turn this camera around so you can see what the heck I'm talking about. This is the passenger side, and as you can see, that shit's coming apart. Water gets in there. Let me show you the other side. And there's a little mark right there too. The top looks okay, but you could see where it's coming out on this side too. And the seal is just bad. All right, when we bought this mothership, we really got to test it out in March when we went way too early in the wintertime to head up to Michigan. And when we drove it up to Pennsylvania, the weather was still kind of snowy, rainy. I don't know if I even filmed a lot of it because I was so obnoxiously annoyed by this windshield here. It was whistling at us. There were little rain droplets coming in through it. And the Momo that we bought this from put some kind of shrinking seal around the windshield. Yeah, shrinking, ridiculous. The seal wasn't the right one. Instead of having someone come out that's a professional and fix the thing. So I cleaned up a bunch of water stains, which I'll show you right here. And I'm going to show you what the windshield looks like around the edges. And beware, because this is just going to cause damage in the interior of your motor coach, your motorhome, your travel trailer. You have a leaky window, fix it. I can't do it, but my insurance covers the cost. We have a deductible, yes, but I'll explain who's fixing it after they're done. And maybe even film them doing some of it sneakily, just for you. So let me show you what I'm talking about on this. I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video or a couple videos ago or whenever, I lose track. But getting people to be able to come out mobile and do this, because this is our house and I have to live in it, right? So it took me 2 weeks to find someone that's mobile that fixes RV windshields out here in Pennsylvania. This guy happens to do them, and once I lined that up, it took him a month just to come out here. So you're gonna get something done. Make sure you have some time to get it done. Make sure you do your research, because a lot of these places either A, don't have parts, or B, can't come out and do it. So I'm gonna maybe show you some of the new windshield after this, and I'll conclude the video. It's completed. Yes, Goods Glass in Pennsylvania come out here to do it. This is going to end the video. I'm going to show you the windshield. As you can see, no more cracks, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty clean. Of course it would. This is made in Ohio, actually. Sorry I didn't get this other side last time, but the other side up there had the same thing. And this company took 3 hours to install this because the mothership was unlevel, so we had to level it up. So make sure your RV is level. That's going to conclude the video. Hit that subscribe button below, that alert button, and I'm going to sign off here because this wind is picking up. Welcome to autumn. Thanks for coming by. See you soon.